Hello, Mr. Brown here, your science teacher, with an important announcement today. You've been counting wrong your whole life. Let's begin. Take a look at the letters O, N, E. It's pronounced own, as in stone, bone, cone, and the number own.
No, that's the number one.
When a T and a W are put together, it makes the twa sound like 12, Twinkie, 20, and the number 12.
No, that's the number two.
3. When an O, a U, and an R are put together, it is pronounced hour, like our flower, sour, and the number four.
No, that's the number four.
5. 6. When an E, a V, an E, and an N are put together, it's pronounced even, like in Stephen and believin'. This is the number 7.
No, that's the number seven.
Look at E in the word be. Pig has the word ig, and hot has an H and a T. Put it together and you get the number E-ig-t.
No, that's the number eight.
9, 10, and own-teen, two-teen, three-teen, four-teen, and 5-teen.
That's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
All right, so let's do them one more time together. We have own, two, 3, four, 5, 6, 7, e-ig-t, 9, 10, own-teen, two-teen, three-teen, four-teen, and 5-teen.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Thank you for joining me today with You've Been Counting Wrong Your Whole Life. Thanks again.